Naseef, you touched upon content clustering and repurposing. I am going a bit off topic here, but can you talk about the different ways in which B2B markets can leverage repurposing the content to create more content?
Yeah. So repurposing, I think for some reason is a topic that has been made very complex by a lot of us marketers, because we want to sound geeky. But it's such a simple topic that, even a 10-year-old can understand. The logic is very simple, right? Basically, you create like a foundational pool of content. Then you think about how you can you can convert that into multiple smaller pieces of content or different formats of content. Right? And the framework is very simple. And I happen to have written an article on this as well, which is titled Content Clustering and Repurposing. And repurposing, as we all know, is a method to scale your content creation process. Now, coming to the framework of content repurposing, I do it in, I actually have linked to a template that you can use for content repurposing in the article that I mentioned. But here is how it goes. You just need 4 columns. You need the basic, the first content type. It can be a blog post, it can be a video, it can be a podcast episode, it can be a video interview like this, right? The second thing is you think about what are the different types of content formats you can repurpose that into. For example, a blog post can be converted into multiple social media posts. You can create a video out of it. You can convert that into an infographic maybe. You can split that into different newsletter editions. So think about all these content formats you can convert that piece into. The third column is where where have you published the first piece of content? What is the default publishing channel? Let's take blog post for example. You would have published that on your website. So that is your default publishing channel. Now, alongside this, in the fourth column, you also list down other channels you are going to promote. You can promote these content pieces on. So you have to basically read content formats and channels together. Let's say, for example, let's imagine you are converting a blog post into a video, and your default publishing channel is the website. Your new content type or format is a video, and the channels that you can promote that on are, let's say, YouTube, uh, LinkedIn, uh, uh, your own website, for example. Maybe you are uploading videos on other channels, other platforms like Vimeo, for example. So basically, against each piece of content, you list down the content type you can repurpose it into and the channels that you can promote the most. So it's as simple as that. Maybe we can link to this article where where viewers can go look at the complete process, but this is essentially how it looks like.
Definitely. Great. I'm sure my listeners would be able to derive a ton of value from this framework.